Instagram, this new close friend thing with, you can check your mentions. I've been added to someone's close friend story. So I'm seeing their story and it's a dick pic. And it's a watermark of their thing with my photo in the background. I think the first couple of weeks जब मैं आई थी तो एक message आया मुझको from a composer. So I was chilling with my mom. He was like, hey, do you want to catch up tonight? And I was like, yeah, I'm with my mom right now. Tell us where to come. Oops. Obviously, it's because I was with my mom and he wanted me to come alone. They used to call me Godzilla, bro. I think they just thought I was ugly. So when I was growing up, I thought I would never have sex. I couldn't accept my own body. I'm like, how can someone else accept it? Mom's expected to do certain household things that the dad would not do. The dad's work is probably a little more important than the mom's work. Every woman should fall in love because you don't understand happiness until a man loves you. All of a sudden, I'm cute because he thinks I'm cute. I just defined everything by his perspective.
वेलकम जोनीता गांधी ऑन द मेल फेमिनिस्ट। क्या हाल है आपके?
मैं अच्छी हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
बहुत सुंदर बारिश हो रही है, हम बेरूट जुहू में हैं। तो जोनीता, क्या आप बरसों रे मेघा जैसे बाहर गुनगुना रही थी? हल्का सा गुनगुना दोगी?
बरसों रे मेघा मेघा बरसों रे मेघा, हाँ बरसों रे मेघा बरसों।
क्या बात है।
I love that song. That's why it's raining.
ये कितना ऐसा होता है कि आप घर पे या बाहर कहीं हो और आपको लोग बोल देंगे कि कुछ गा के सुनाओ?
Every day, everywhere. बेटा कुछ गा के सुनाओ, बेटा भी show off करो basically. Make us look like good parents who raised you with good culture.
How was it growing up there?
It was a very colorful upbringing, I think, because I got the best of both worlds.
कैसे?
I got the whole Punjab vibe, which I wouldn't have gotten here because we're not from Punjab, we're from Delhi. And I also got the whole Western world, Canadian, American culture vibe. So I got the best of both worlds.
But the environment, वहाँ के लोग, generally streets, how safe and happening were they for a girl?
For a girl growing up in Brampton, there are definitely some shady areas. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
जैसे कि?
As in places you shouldn't be out and about at night. I mean, I didn't feel the most safe after dark, I must say. Yeah, because there are a lot of roamers who are doing shady things around in the gullies and in the corners. But I was a very good girl, so I didn't have to face all that. I would come home on time.
Responsible child. क्यों ऐसे बनी होंगी आप?
Because you have to, बनना पड़ता है. I was the only girl child in my family. I had a brother, and my parents are very protective, and they've definitely raised me in a way to make sure that I was doing all the right things and being the अच्छी बच्ची and going to school and getting the good grades.
अच्छा, आप ऐसे वाली थी क्या? But क्या कभी ऐसा हुआ कि adult life में patriarchal जो चीजें सिखाई गई थी वो actively unlearn कर रही थी?
I don't know. I feel like luckily my parents are very liberal. So if I would ever notice something at home, I think they've also evolved. In the beginning, when we were young, they were more of this whole backwards vibes, just being honest. But I think now they've really come with the times.
But backwards vibes बोले तो क्या क्या होता था? जैसे क्या देखती थी?
Like the same, the gender role assignment thing. I always felt the dad's work is probably a little more important than the mom's work. Mom's expected to do certain household things that the dad would not do. But I feel like now it's not like that. I've seen my mom stand up for herself. Even my mom calling my dad Deepak by his name, that started later. Before, I don't think she would actually say his name. She'd be like, Suno, or
Suno, suniye, aap. Only the pet name would be the time when I heard my mother call my father.
Yeah. So then those things when I started noticing, I'm like, okay, they're treating each other a little more like equals.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is great.
But growing up as a girl, identity crisis कभी होता था क्या कि मैं वहाँ की हूँ या यहाँ की?
Growing up there, I think I had enough brown people around me. There was a good distribution of Asian people, black people, white people, brown people. I feel when I first came here, though, I felt like an outsider.
What did you feel?
Basically, even the way the rickshaw wale talk to you, it's bro, I get it. I'm not from here. Stop trying to double charge me.
But वहाँ कभी racism या यहाँ कभी racism face किया?
Oh, I got racist comments there for sure.
जैसे कि?
I was more bothered about the bullying about my dadi.
Facial hair.
It wasn't a dadi, but I just.
But side locks and mooch.
Yeah, I had the side locks that go like this. I had that.
I think they make the Delhi Punjabi ladkiyan very cute.
That's really a nice and sweet and positive outlook. I wish that they had that where I grew up.
क्या बोलते थे?
They used to call me Godzilla, bro.
No.
Yeah.
क्यों ऐसा ये लोग की?
I think they just thought I was ugly. Whatever. To come home and cry. Also, I used to have a little diary that I would write. Oh, I had a crush on this person, and I would write his name, and it would be the Punjabi boy in my class, and even he would be making fun of me. I'm like, bro, I'm your kind. Your sister probably has facial hair. It's not cool. And then I would cry about it. It's okay though. Look what happened now.
That girl who
Just
you.
seeing my new music video, it's like if that version of me saw this, she would not believe it.
But ये बताओ फिर growing up, boyfriends and dating जिंदगी कैसी रही?
Okay, so when I was growing up, I thought I would never have sex. Again, for this same issue. Reason.
Body image issues आ गए थे.
Yeah. I couldn't accept my own body. I'm like, how can someone else accept it? Hell no.
तो लाइन मारती थी पब्लिक आप पे?
नहीं.
क्या बोल रहे हो यार आप?
उस टाइम पे तो नहीं, अब मारते हैं.
क्या बोलते हैं?
आपकी थाई बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है.
जितने लोगों को नहीं पता है, ये इमेज पे एक कमेंट आया है, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट सुंदर फोटो है कि आपकी थाई बहुत सुंदर है और उस पे इन्होंने आटे लिया है उस कमेंट को. आपने क्या लिखा प्लीज जोर से बताएं.
आपकी लैंड बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है.
तो यार
Land,
दोनों
like
कमेंट और उनका रिप्लाई दोनों आ चुके
These
हैं.
guys are laughing. I bet you they've seen it.
But going back to like Canada, when did dating begin and how were you able to pass the body image issues?
I still have them, by the way. So they're not past. I think music really helped me, to be
जैसे?
honest. It made me feel like मैं कुछ अलग कर रही हूँ in life में. These guys are all boring. I'm cool. I can make people dance with my voice, feel things and cry. And that made me cool when nothing else made me cool. So that I really clung to that. That's what gave me the confidence to also in the dating space feel like I had something to offer. And then slowly when like other things started to like the grooming started to take effect. But even when I was doing shows actually in Toronto, I would not even get dressed properly. Then
जैसे कि
like मैं कुर्ती पहन के जाती थी पर शादी हो रहा है, like everyone's wearing like proper lehengas and all, and I'm wearing like jeans and a kurti or like no makeup, just lipstick maybe or just eyeliner, kajal लगा के.
are you
निकलती
okay
थी
तो
घर से.
reference के लिए बताओ, are you wearing makeup right now?
Yes, I am.
But like is this like a no makeup look? But क्या बोलते थे आपको तब के बॉयफ्रेंड्स या ब्रेकअप कठिन हो रहे थे
Okay,
क्या?
my first boyfriend was in college. Again, I was in a new space where nobody knew me. They didn't know my ugly duckling face.
Why do you keep saying that to yourself, ugly duckling?
It's a story, now that
I know.
Okay, but it's very relatable. It's like the ugly duckling becomes a swan, and I'm the swan now. Come on. Beparwahi. Yeah, happens.
But go on, first boyfriend, college.
College, I thought I was gonna marry him.
Of course.
Clearly didn't get married. He was my first everything. Like even cheek kiss. I think he was my first cheek kiss. So I thought it was crazy. I remember my feeling was like every woman should fall in love because you don't understand happiness
Like
until
this.
a man loves you. This is what I felt. I was like, oh my God, like anybody who's underconfident in life, just एक बार प्यार हो जाना चाहिए and then everything will change. That's I felt like, oh my God, my life is like new and everything looked different and like all of a sudden I'm cute because he thinks I'm cute. I just defined everything by his perspective. Isn't that crazy?
नहीं, मैं तो यही सोच रहा हूँ कि हम कितना अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ थर्ड पार्टी पे डाल के रखते हैं,
हाँ, actually.
क्योंकि ये अप्रूव करेंगे तो मुझे इनके अप्रूवल के लिए करना है एंड एड द पीपल प्लीजिंग टू इट.
Yeah, it's
तो और
either your
मट्टी पे लेते.
partner or the cute boys, whatever, or your parents, or now it's my fans also. To think about everybody, थक जाती हूँ.
मुंबई या दिल्ली जब आप पधारी तब आपको किसी अलग नजरिए का पता चला कि यार the way they look at you is different as a girl over here?
I think I came expecting it to be worse than it was. I think I packed clothes accordingly to like, you know, wear only kurtis and, you know, fully cover, no shoulders. But it wasn't like that. It was kind of chill. In fact, I remember we went to a gurdwara once in Delhi and I saw like people wearing shorts and all. And I was like, whoa, in Toronto or in Brampton, you would never see that. So like you said earlier, we were preserving our culture, I think, more.
हाँ.
Yeah.
और ऐसा काम मांगते मांगते यहाँ पर बाहर गांव की औरत को प्रोमिस्कुअस माना जाता है.
I think the first couple of weeks जब मैं आई थी तो एक मैसेज आया मुझको from I'm not gonna name names.
जी जी जी.
From a composer and मैं बस मिलना चाह रही थी, like networking, you know, मैं सिंगर आई हूँ.
और तब तक आपका YouTube का कवर्स ड्रॉप हो चुके हैं, वो लोग
एक दो तो वायरल हो चुके
वायरल हो
I think.
चुके हैं. हाँ.
इसीलिए he knew who I was. So he was interested. He's seen what I look like. He's heard what I sound like. So I was chilling with my mom somewhere bahar and he was like, hey, do you want to catch up tonight? And I was like, yeah. I'm with my mom right now. Tell us where to come. Oops.
उन्होंने oops बोला.
Yeah, that's it. Oop. And obviously it's because I was with my mom and he wanted me to come alone. Shady shit.
और फिर अच्छा ये तो आपके पास एक नहीं 25 कहानियां हैं.
Yeah. Basically people, I think, thought because मैं बाहर की हूँ, that I'm a little extra down, if you know what I mean. I think we've skipped over, so that whole phase of me being the ugly duckling to now, when I've come to India, now I've had the transformation, by the way. I've had the glow up. Somewhat I've had. From then to now, I've also had another one. But that time, the initial glow up had happened. So now these things were happening, where like all of a sudden, oh, she's cute. Oh, she's firang. Oh, she
तो
wants
फिरंग
to
है तो
sing.
इजी है, ये आ जाता था
Yeah.
और काफी आता रहा.
काफी आता था, पर luckily not for too long. Many within a short period.
मना कैसे करनी थी?
I would also just stop responding. I can't offend anyone, but you know, because
They label you.
yeah, or you'll get blacklisted, and these guys are all more powerful than me. But now, I'm kidding. No, but genuinely, after that period, that phase, I think I started working with people who gave me so much credibility, touch wood, that no one could touch me, I felt at least. Because I'm like, now if they talk shit, I'll make them look bad in front of important people, if you know what I mean.
Yes.
So I started working with Sonu Ji initially, and then Rahman Sir happened within a year. So these are the things that I feel so grateful for till today, because that made, I think, people back off a little bit. They're like, okay, she's actually talented, and that's why she's here. We can't really just take advantage.
कितना रहमान साहब का मेल फेमिनिस्ट होना लगता है कि he is also one of those guys who really puts his.
He gives so much respect to women. He really puts them on. If you notice, I feel like he makes it a point to incorporate women in the band setup also, in roles that you don't necessarily see. Like,
That's where the female drummer percussion came to mind.
there you go. He had a phenomenal percussionist who traveled from outside of India actually for that show. We also had Mohini used to travel with us a lot on bass, and now we have Nilanjana playing bass. Like we have some power-packed women as part of the lineup. And I think Sir is really like, his daughter also, she's now a composer. She's composing beautifully. Khatija, she's singing also so beautifully. So I really feel he encourages women to be more in the limelight in the space.
यार तो जब इंडिया आई आप, ऐसा आपको होते हुए देखा कि यार इंडस्ट्री में मर्द और औरत को अलग तरीके से ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है यहाँ पर?
Yeah, I think I didn't notice it initially, huh? I thought in the beginning it was just my shortcomings. Like if I was being treated differently, it's because I suck and I don't deserve it. It took me a while to start seeing that there was a discrepancy.
कैसे पता चला?
There was a couple of things happening where it's like I realized there's a male singer who's kind of as established as me. They're going with a male for a brand project, for instance, instead of me. There was no necessarily like reason for it other than he was not
Mard.
a girl. In terms of them feeling like it was a stronger sell, because people here are more interested to follow the words and whatever of a man. And then pay things also. I would find out later that like, oh, me and other people were part of a project. And just in passing, it might have come up that, oh yeah, I can't believe that guy got this much. I'm like, what?
So Junita, if I can indulge, and I'm not going to go into actuals. I'm saying अगर 100 रुपए आपको मिल रहे हैं तो मर्द को कितना अलग मिलता था?
Like 10x
ओह,
in that situation?
कैसे लड़ने का इससे?
I don't know, bro. Please tell me. I will help support the cause. I don't know. I'm doing my best, which is building my own brand and trying to say no to projects now that don't make sense.
अच्छा, you have said no?
Yeah, nowadays I'm starting to say no. That it's like if I'm not getting the importance that I feel I deserve, then politely decline.
पता है हमारे पास कई दिग्गज महिलाएं आई हैं जिन्होंने कहा है कि वो बोलेंगे फीमेल सेंट्रिक फिल्म है, स्क्रिप्ट नरेशन के दौरान आपको बताएंगे, फिर आप ओपिनियन दो अपना, और फिर वो बाजू में बैठा मर्द को देख के बोल देंगे बाकी बात कि देखो वो
Oh
बात
my god, that
ये हुआ है।
happens so much. Then you don't exist in the room anymore. उसके बाद तो it's like if I fart also, I don't know if people will notice.
नहीं है, आपके साथ बहुत हुआ है क्या?
Yeah. No, you can just see the energy change when I walk in the room and then the male counterpart or whoever, someone, the energy shifts. Like all of a sudden people are standing up or like not even standing up. That's very obvious. Just the eye contact thing is a real tell. They're noticing their reactions to when anyone's speaking. If I'm uncomfortable for a second, nobody notices. This I'm sounding very preachy now, but like this happens. It doesn't happen every time, but it happens. Yeah.
और क्या?
Yeah.
यार ये बताओ, आपने ये भी बोला कि आपको कोई पेमेंट नहीं मिली?
Yeah, so many times. But the thing is, you have to understand, Sid, you are getting an opportunity to showcase your talent and for a song of yours to become a hit and then for you to get shows. Why should you ask for payment?
ऐसे आपको मुंह पे बोल के गए वो लोग?
नहीं, बस
ये बस
understood.
assumed है, understood है.
You should understand. No,
कभी बैठ के
these things.
एक्सेल शीट में कैलकुलेट किए होगे कि कितना ऐसा रह गया होगा पैसा?
Can I be completely honest? One thing I've started to do, or I'm like, I'm not gonna just let them assume that I'm not gonna charge money.
Fair enough.
Because you're screwing over so many other people also. Because if you're gonna do it for free, they're gonna expect everyone to do it free, and those people are not getting the shows, so now they're screwed because they're not getting the money from the recording either.
यार बट शो के साथ मेरे को आता है, राजा को पूछ रहा था मैं, राजा कुमारी जी को, कि कई बार शोज में, जैसे वेडिंग शोज में या कई जगहों पर फ्रिस्की हो जाते हैं लोग, आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ?
Baby doll.
ऐसे बोलते?
No, they don't call me baby doll. They just want me to sing. Or maybe they're calling me baby doll. I don't know. I was thinking they just want me to sing that song, and I'm like, guys, मेरा गाना नहीं है वो. I'm not Kanika. We are very different humans. Like,
Yeah.
basically, female singer is female singer. That's it. There's no differentiation.
और कौन से गाने का आपको अमूमन सबसे ज्यादा रिक्वेस्ट आता है?
कुछ भी मतलब just DJ.
डीजे,
गाना
मतलब
लगाओ.
वाइब बजना चाहिए.
Yeah, बस.
खत्म.
Yeah.
बट कभी कोई ऐसा इनअप्रोप्रिएट टच वाला सीन नहीं हुआ आपके साथ?
हुआ है. Not so bad, but the thing is with me, the problem is I get really sarcastic. Like if someone's being over smart, I get really sarcastic with them, but the problem is they're too drunk to notice. So it doesn't work also.
उदाहरण?
Like if someone's trying to get on stage and trying to be like, oh no, I'll sing this song with you. And I'll be like, oh, why don't they just pay you then to do my job? Like I'll say something like that on the mic where it's clear that I'm a little annoyed. Come on, that's very clear if I'm saying something like that. But they don't, because they're drunk. They'll be like, haha, give mic. Some people also like, they'll try to dance with you and all. And I'm just like, bro, know your place. But now we just don't let people on stage. Like we've done I've been doing this for so many years now that we figured out first of all, I don't do as many shows where people are not giving me that kind of respect, touch wood. Because they're like
You get to
fans. Like I try to limit the wedding shows to people who genuinely, they wanted Jonita. They didn't just want female act. Because aisa bhi hota hai. Where they're just like, in this bracket, female, give. And then they feel like they own you.
है ना?
Because they're spending money.
Yes.
So, one more song. 20 more minutes.
बट कभी रास्ते चलते आपके साथ कोई अनटूवर्ड इंसिडेंट नहीं हुआ, लाइक पब्लिक स्पेसेस और कहीं पे?
You know, I black out these things, by the way. I've had experiences I've just chosen to not remember.
Like what kinds? यार एक तो लड़की लोग ना काफी, आप लोग हाइजीन, ये तो मतलब होता ही है करके आप काफी चीजें ब्रश अंडर द कार्पेट.
No, actually, some things are kind of traumatic. On Instagram, this new close friend thing where they'll add me to their. So you know, you can check your mentions. I'll check my mentions, and it'll be like I've been added to someone's close friend story. So I'm seeing their story, and it's a dick pic, and it's a watermark of their thing with my photo in the background.
ये क्या
This is
बोल
a
रहे हो
new
यार?
thing
ये
now.
ये क्या है ये?
It's disgusting.
I'm flabbergasted at the thought of it कि ये कैसे
Literally, I
किया?
black these things out. I'm just like, oh, ignore it. But it's like, it's harassment.
You can report this.
I do.
मेरे को लगता था DM में आती हैं सारी सिर्फ dick pics जो
I
आप
don't
Instagram
check
blur
my
कर देते
DM. I only check my primary now.
हो. Thanks.
So I just don't bother. The mentions thing, you know what I'm
हाँ
talking
जी,
about,
हाँ,
right?
हाँ.
Where it shows
और
like all your,
notifications के ऊपर आ जाता है
like
ना.
I'll have done Rahman's show, okay? And so now there's like 200 people who are tagging me in stories because they were watching and they were posting and they're excited, and I'm also excited to see, hey, how did it sound outside? So I'm like minding my own business, swiping through kahin aag lage and whatever, and then surprise, something I did not want to see.
क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं आप ये करके?
That's a good question.
आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट?
They
You'll
just want
react fire.
Nice.
सरकाज़म था ये, प्लीज समझ के लें. क्या आप क्या सोच रहे हो, क्या होगा?
Yeah, I don't know. I think they just want attention. People are just jobless.
भाई आप रिपोर्ट होंगे साइबर क्राइम के तहत, अंदर
I
आ
blocked
जाओगे
so
आप.
many people, and you know, you're tagged. Even those people I've gone and blocked. Not even for me. I don't even care. I'm to beparwa. But my mom, if she goes and sees my tag and that there's shit there, I want to protect her, so I block.
गुड. क्योंकि आप परफॉर्मर थी, इस वजह से भी आप क्या कॉन्फिडेंस में या एक धौंस जमा के रखने में ज्यादा बेहतर हो रही थी? इज दैट पॉसिबल?
I think I just didn't want people to notice that I was a girl.
Why?
Is that
Why? That's so innocently said, but has very like deep subtext.
Yeah, it's a little sad actually now.
नहीं,
This
please
is
go
what-
on, explain.
I didn't want that to be the reason any differential treatment was there. Like I wanted to save them from having to decide how to treat me. I don't really like that much attention.
आप अभी स्टेडियम में 65,000 लोग के सामने परफॉर्म कर रही थी.
I know, but like I don't want to occupy that space in the room. If there's like a bunch of us chilling, I don't want all the attention to come here. So I don't want to dress up too much. I just really wanted to be known for like, if I'm in that room because I'm contributing something, I want that to be the reason I'm remembered or listened to. I don't want it to be anything else. Not because she's the hairy chick in the room on one hand, and it's not also because she's the hot chick in the room on the other hand. You know?
मतलब बट लेकिन लड़की लोग को जजमेंट तो मिलता ही है ना, लाइक वुड यू स्विम?
Oh my God, that was a whole debacle. If I have to
Please.
go swimming, first of all, forget swimming. If I have to wear like capris, I'll only shave till here because bro, too much work.
भाई एज द मेल फेमिनिस्ट मेरे को ये पता है क्योंकि मेरे को लड़की लोग ने बताया, बट आई डिड नॉट नो दिस टिल वेरी
But
रिसेंटली.
then जब मैं बैठती थी तो उठता था ना like कपड़ा, and then I'd be like, you can't see the line, the line
Shit.
where I stopped shaving. It was very stressful. Now, thank God, thing laser. I don't have to worry. I love it so
Privileges
much.
that men enjoy.
I know.
Bal.
Nobody gives a shit if
Yes.
you have your forest coming out of your capris. Like, my jungle is a problem. Your jungle is not. Although a lot of people now are embracing body hair. Women also. There's recently Julia Roberts. She was at Cannes and she waved, and everyone went crazy because a little happened.
That's not bad at
But
all.
she's
That's so
yeah,
cool.
sick. And she owned it, and she's stunning. Like you can't test her
Thank
beauty.
you, Julia Roberts.
Thank you, Julia.
बहुत बहुत
Love
शुक्रिया
it.
आपका.
I just wish it had more impact here, but yeah.
Do you not get the pressure of शादी विधि?
Did I don't know why my parents just gave up on me or what. I was getting pressure, I think, till the last 2 years,
And then
and now I think they just think I'm a lost cause or something. I don't know. But my brother got married, so like that was great. Like they enjoyed that wedding. Now I just really wish he would have kids so that would also be lifted off my shoulders.
बट ऐसा दोस्तों में आपके बातें नहीं होती कि जस्ट जनरली ए women of certain age, you're freezing eggs, friends having kids, तो वो क्या बातें होती हैं in the girl gang?
Freezing eggs is a definite topic among the girl gang. I also think more people now are just like, don't time it. If you can freeze your eggs, great, so that you can take the pressure off timing everything. Because you'd rather end up with someone who you've really put the time and effort to know than rushing into something and then divorce rate. We
Yeah.
don't want that.
Yeah.
We don't want that. So I think those are the conversations that are happening now, where everybody's more pro later in life is okay. I'm also pro later in life is okay. If it happens, great. If it doesn't happen,
Also okay.
I think it's okay. I think I'll live.
Have you never heard the chatter about the single women, like creative
Yeah.
women or women in the industry plus के इधर तो
Oh,
लड़का लगाता है,
Bollywood though has the worst name
है ना?
in this housing rental market. Parties, like late nights, loud music.
सिगरेट पीती है,
Yeah, I
दारू
don't
पीती है,
smoke, but yeah,
like कुछ भी ना, कुछ भी.
kuch bhi, literally.
हाँ.
But seriously, if a girl smokes a cigarette, it's like, If a guy does, they don't even notice.
Or drinks.
Drinking also, yeah. Oh my God, especially, what is it about beer and women? I
Beer
feel
and
like-
whiskey also.
And whiskey also, but the thing is, like, a glass is still more classy. A beer bottle in a woman's hand,
और फिर साथ में सिगरेट.
it's done. Judgment central. But like a glass of wine is still classy, I guess. I don't know, whatever they say. It's cool. I'd like to pride myself in saying that my male friends don't care what I drink.
Lovely.
No one passes comments on what I'm drinking.
But driver also na, driving girl also. Girl who drives,
Oh yeah.
you get a bunch
I
of
don't
judgment on the
drive
road,
here,
no?
but- Oh my God, yeah. Oh my God. Anything happens, it must have been a girl driving. Rude. I get so mad when I overhear that.
Statistics निकाल के आप देख लें, 99 से ज्यादा टका एक्सीडेंट में आपको मर्द लोग ड्राइवर दिखेंगे.
I'm so glad that the stats prove this point.
ये है.
That's
But
right.
the women I was talking about, जो सोसाइटी की हमारी महिलाएं हैं, कैरियर्स ऑफ पेट्रियार्की, तो कितना जोर का फीड किया गया उनको. Actually, women are only hurting the women. The women are making a point कि lose. You know,
That's really sad.
Isn't that true though?
I guess so. Like the auntie speak.
Yeah.
Auntie speak is a thing.
Yeah.
The way that they
Chatter.
gossip. Yeah. And the lift and all, what she was wearing and short skirt or whatever.
और कई बार सुनाई दे रहा है आपको.
Oh my God.
मतलब आप आगे ही चल के गए हो, नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता.
Listen, when I first moved to India, I stayed as a paying guest with an auntie. And she every day would remind me that, bro, you should just go to America and find a nice doctor and get married. Why have you come to this country where women are committing suicide in Bollywood? And literally, she was just like feeding into this Bollywood is bad narrative, and women especially are targets narrative. And she was basically saying, you've left a place where your standard of living was higher to come here and struggle. And this is what's happening in your industry. You just need a man in your life. It'll sort you out.
हाँ, बट मेरा सवाल यही है कि क्या महिला के लिए, कई महिलाओं के लिए एक महिला का अंत गोल यही है क्या कि तेरे को बढ़िया डॉक्टर से
I
शादी
have
करनी है?
sugar daddy seeking friends, bro. I know the kind. It exists. Their
But
only
कई
goal in
महिलाएं
life
use भी
is
कर रही है
that.
ना इस. They
It works both ways.
Yeah.
Convenience, basically.
हाँ नहीं सही है, ठीक है. बट है अभी जो जजमेंट
Do you?
पहला गाना कौन सा मिला था प्लेबैक का जो आपको लगा कि ये कैटapult करेगा?
I think breakup song.
ब्रेकअप सॉन्ग
That was my first banger.
बट उससे पहले एक गाना आया तो था,
Debut तो चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में
चेन्नई
हुआ
एक्सप्रेस
था,
का हो
हाँ।
गया था, हाँ
वो जो Get on the train baby, that song.
या
I think after that I sang in Highway also
करेक्ट.
for Rahman sir. उसके बाद
पटाखा गुड्डी
नहीं, it was called कहाँ हूँ मैं.
कहाँ
It
हूँ
was a
मैं?
very beautiful song, yeah. And then लेकर हम दीवाना दिल I sang in again Rahman sir. Then I sang in this Dishum. So तरह के
I love that song.
रोगले. Isn't it such a funny lyric?
बाप है.
तू कहे तो जान दे दूं, कहने में हर्ज क्या है. What a
कहने
lyric.
में अर्ज क्या है.
It's so funny.
बट लौंडा लोग ऐसा बहुत करते हैं ना.
It's very real.
It's on
Shout
the
out.
boys ना.
Yeah, that's the lyric for him, not for me. Anyway, and then I sang, breakup song, and then in Dangal, back to back. Gilehriyan and Dil Hai Mushkileyan.
एक गिलहरियां गा दो थोड़ा सा.
Wow, you sound just like my parents. रंग बदल बदल के क्यों चहक रहे हैं दिन दोपहरियाँ, मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना क्यों फुदक फुदक के धड़कनों की चल रही गिलहरियाँ, मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना.
If you had to give a message to the 16-year-old self, what would it be?
मिले या ना मिले इत्थे प्यार, लभे या ना लभे कोई यार, बच के रहंदियां संग दी रहंदियां हुण तां बेपरवाही, हाँ बेपरवाही, हाँ बेपरवाही, हाँ बेपरवाही, हाँ हाँ. I would tell her to live by this and stop people pleasing.
इसको बोलते हैं इंटेलिविजन प्लग. इंटेलिजेंट प्लस विजनरी, इंटेलिविजनरी प्लग.
Okay guys, like, share, subscribe.
यस. इनको जाके फॉलो कर लेना. नीचे इनका YouTube का लिंक डाल दिया मैंने, वहां पर डालती हो कुछ अभी?
YouTube पे?
कभी
Of course, ये वीडियो तो आएगा YouTube
ये YouTube पे आएगा.
I mean, आ गया already.
हाँ.
Click. Yeah. It's out, guys. Please enjoy my new song, which is out now.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Hotfly. This is me, Sadat Alambayan, signing off on The Male Feminist. Are you a hugger?
I love hugs.
Okay, bye.
Bye.